In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send review request emails in Loox. If you're looking to get valuable customer feedback and build trust in your brand, successfully sending review requests is key. Let's make sure you know how to do just that in just a few easy steps. First, open your web browser and navigate over to Shopify. If you aren't already, go ahead and log into your account. Remember, your online store needs to be connected to Loox for this process to work seamlessly, so make sure that connection is established before moving forward. Once you're logged in, head over to your Loox dashboard. Once there, locate the section titled Reviews Preferences and proceed to the Emails and Scheduling option. This is essentially your control center for when and how review requests are sent. Now, it's time to decide on the timing for your review requests. Loox gives you a couple of options here. You can choose settings like after delivery or after fulfillment, depending on when you believe your customers will be most receptive. Each choice caters to different strategic needs, so think about what would work best for your business. Next, let's integrate Klaviyo to enhance your email capabilities. From your Loox dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Integrations, and find Klaviyo. Here, you'll need your Klaviyo API key. Paste the API key into the designated field and click Test to make sure the connection is successfully established. This connection will be crucial for ensuring your review requests reach the right audience at the right time. Once your integration is set up, go back to your Loox settings and open the Review Request Timing tab. In this section, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Send Via. Select Klaviyo from the options available. This ensures that your emails use Klaviyo's robust sending capabilities, optimizing for better deliverability and engagement. Now, on to a little bit of customization to make those emails truly yours. Start by tweaking Loox's default email template. Small adjustments can significantly boost response rates. Avoid overhauling the template entirely, but focus on key elements like adding your logo, making use of your brand colors, and maybe incorporating a striking banner image. These elements will make sure your email is not only informative, but also visually on-brand. It's crucial as well to clearly state any incentives you're offering within these review request emails, like discounts for customers who provide photo or video feedback. This can be done effectively within the email's body text or as part of a compelling visual banner. Finally, an optional but effective tip. Including the order number in the email subject line can help jog customers' memory about their purchase, increasing the likelihood they will engage and leave a review. By following these steps, you'll not only streamline your review request process, but also bolster your brand's presence and credibility with authentic customer feedback. Happy emailing!